Host standing near fruits with a cutting board, gesturing animatedly. Before we start, let's talk about why fruits are a game changer for your skin. Fruits are loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration, all essential for glowing skin. Let me break down the benefits of some key nutrients you'll find in this salad. Vitamin C. It boosts collagen, fights free radicals, and brightens your skin. Vitamin A. Helps with skin cell regeneration and keeps your skin smooth. Healthy fats, from nuts or seeds. These lock in moisture and keep your skin plump. Natural sugars. Provide an energy boost while keeping your skin fresh and radiant. And the best part? Eating your way to better skin is much easier than relying solely on products. Combine this with your skincare routine, and you're set to glow, arranging ingredients neatly on a counter. Alright, let's get into the ingredients you'll need for this magical skin glowing salad. Feel free to grab a notepad or screenshot this. Papaya, 1 cup. Rich in vitamin A, enzymes, and hydration, perfect for a glow. Kiwi, 2 medium, packed with vitamin C for collagen and elasticity. Berries, 1 cup mix, blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. They're antioxidant powerhouses. Pomegranate seeds, 1/2 cup, for anti-aging and hydration. Avocado, 1/2, adds creamy texture and healthy fats. Orange slices, 1 medium, adds brightness with natural vitamin C. Mint leaves, handful, for freshness and added detox benefits. Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons, optional, but great for probiotics and a creamy base. Honey or maple syrup, 1 tablespoon, a touch of sweetness, completely natural. Chia seeds, 1 teaspoon, for extra fiber, omega-3s, and hydration. Segment 3. Host starts preparing the salad while explaining steps clearly. Step 1. Prep your fruits. First, wash all your fruits thoroughly. Clean fruits are essential not only for taste but also for removing any pesticides or dirt. Peel and dice the papaya into bite-sized cubes. Slice the kiwis thinly to keep that vibrant green pop. Halve the berries if they're large, or leave them whole for texture. Scoop out pomegranate seeds. This part is oddly satisfying, trust me. Slice the orange into neat wedges, removing any seeds. Pro tip: use a sharp knife to get those clean, aesthetic cuts. Glowfam. Step 2. Mix the base. In a large mixing bowl, toss together the papaya, kiwi, berries, pomegranate seeds, and orange slices. Don't forget to mix gently to avoid crushing the delicate fruits. Step 3. Add the glow boosters. Now, let's amp up the skin boosting power. Add half a diced avocado for creaminess. Sprinkle in the chia seeds for hydration and omega-3s. If you're using Greek yogurt, mix it in gently. Lastly, drizzle honey or maple syrup for that perfect balance of sweetness. Step 4. Garnish and serve. Finish off with a few fresh mint leaves for an extra detoxifying touch. Serve it chilled for maximum freshness. Doesn't that look absolutely stunning? Segment 4. Health and skin benefits breakdown. Host holding the finished salad, eating a spoonful. Let's talk about how this salad benefits your skin while I take a bite. So refreshing. Papaya and kiwi. Improve your skin's texture and reduce pigmentation. Berries. Fight signs of aging with their high antioxidant content. Pomegranate. Locks in hydration and adds a natural blush to your skin. Avocado and chia seeds. Nourish your skin deeply, reducing dryness and flakiness. Orange and honey. Brighten your complexion, giving you that lit from within look. When you enjoy this salad regularly, you're nourishing your body and skin at the same time. Remember, glowing skin starts from within. Segment 5. Pro tips and variations. Host sharing tips with quick pop-up text animations for emphasis. Want to customize this salad? Here are some variations to keep it exciting. Add nuts. Almonds or walnuts add crunch and extra vitamin E for skin repair. Seasonal twist. Swap out fruits based on the season. Think mangoes in summer or apples in winter. Vegan version. Skip the yogurt and use coconut cream instead. Spicy kick. Add a dash of cayenne pepper for metabolism-boosting benefits. And here's a tip. If you're meal prepping, keep the fruits and dressing separate until you're ready to eat. That way, the salad stays fresh and crisp. Segment 6. Host holding the bowl with a cheerful smile. There you have it, Glowfam, your very own skin-glowing fruit salad. It's delicious, easy to make, and packed with nutrients your skin will thank you for. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tag Glowifybites or leave a comment below about your experience. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more glowing tips and recipes. Remember, beauty starts from within. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Segment 7. Aesthetic shot of the salad with glowing background music. Watch our other skincare tips and DIY recipes for glowing skin. Subscribe to Glowifybites now.